Leopards are large cats native to Africa and Asia. They are known for their strong bodies, agile movements, and distinctive spotted coats. Leopards are carnivores and hunt a wide variety of prey including deer, antelope, pigs, and small mammals. They are solitary animals and usually only come together to mate. Hyenas are carnivorous mammals native to Africa and Asia. They are known for their distinctive call, which sounds like a mix between a laugh and a scream. Hyenas are known to be social animals and groups. There are 4 species of hyenas: spotted hyena, brown hyena, striped hyena, and aardwolf. One of the main differences between leopards and hyenas is their size. Leopards are generally smaller than hyenas, with a body length of about 4 to 6 feet and a weight of about 60 to 80 pounds. Hyenas, on the other hand, can be much larger, with body lengths of up to 7 feet and weights of up to 190 pounds. Another difference between leopard and hyena is their habitat. Leopards are found in a variety of habitats including forests, grasslands, and deserts. They are skilled climbers and often rest in trees. On the other hand, hyenas are primarily found in open grasslands and savannas. Leopards and hyenas also differ in their social behavior. As mentioned, leopards are solitary animals and only come together to mate. Hyenas, on the other hand, live in social groups known as clans, which can consist of up to 80 individuals. Within these groups, hyenas have a complex social hierarchy, with a dominant female at the top. Leopards and hyenas also differ in their hunting habits. Leopards are skilled hunters and use their strong bodies and agile movements to catch their prey. They are opportunistic predators and will prey on a wide range of animals, including deer, antelope, pigs, and small mammals. On the other hand, hyenas are scavengers and primarily feed on the remains of kills made by other predators. However, they will also hunt and kill their own prey, especially when food is scarce. There are some similarities and some differences between leopards and hyenas in terms of physical characteristics. Both have powerful bodies and strong jaws, but the leopard has longer legs and a more agile build, while the hyena has shorter legs and a stockier build. Leopards also have a distinctive spotted coat, while hyenas have a plain coat that is usually brown or gray. Overall, both leopards and hyenas are interesting and unique animals with their own strengths and adaptations. Although they have some similarities, they have many differences, including size, habitat, social behavior, and hunting habits. A leopard is one of the 5 big cats in the genus Panther, along with the tiger, lion, jaguar, and snow leopard. They are the smallest of the big cats, but still powerful predators. Leopards are known for their speed, agility, and strength, and are capable of catching prey much larger than themselves. They are skilled climbers and often rest in trees, which helps them avoid predators and keep their kills safe from scavengers. Hyenas are a group of mammals in the family Hyenidae. There are 4 species of hyenas: spotted hyena, brown hyena, striped hyena, and aardwolf. The spotted hyena is the largest and most well-known species and is found throughout most of Africa. Hyenas are known for their distinctive call, which sounds like a mixture of laughter and screeching. They are social animals and live in groups, which can consist of up to 80 individuals. Within these groups, hyenas have a complex social hierarchy, with a dominant female at the top. In terms of diet, leopards are carnivores and hunt a variety of prey including deer, antelope, pigs, and small mammals. They are opportunistic hunters and will take anything they can find. On the other hand, hyenas primarily feed on the remains of kills made by scavengers and other predators. However, they will also hunt and kill their own prey, especially when food is scarce. Hyenas have powerful jaws and sharp teeth, which they use to crush the bones of their prey. Leopards and hyenas are both found in Africa and Asia, although the leopard's range is slightly larger. Leopards are found in a variety of habitats including forests, grasslands, and deserts. They are adaptable animals and able to survive in different environments. Hyenas are primarily found in open grasslands and savannas and are less adaptable than leopards. Leopards and hyenas also differ in their social behavior.